wanted to take a break. So let's just say got quite a bit done. So I got the ceiling fans in, as you can tell. Been working on it. Got the wall spray painted in the ceiling. I'm still, I don't know if you can see that, I'm still looking for a nice light for the hallway here between the basement and the front door. Ooh, almost fell. These floor tiles are really slick. So just getting to this point, I've been prepping for, I don't know, probably a good hour. So got it all done. Got this cut under here, using this nifty little, I guess it's like a little tiny Japanese saw. I don't know, I got it made in Western Germany. It was made before the fall. Oh, that's actually pretty funny. Found that at an estate sale years ago, back in St. Louis. Didn't know what I was going to use it for, but it works out great. So, got a gap under there. I'm going to get the get that wood put in. So, finish that up. That's probably going to be the hardest thing, to get that looking nice. And other than that, wow, it's really bright. So hopefully next video this will be completely done, although those do look nice. It took me a while to get that up. Nah, not really. Other than that, like I said, the room just, this yellow is beautiful. It looks amazing. And I'll tell you what, that spray painter, it is, no, that's, can't see that. The spray painter I used made it, it is like glass. It is gorgeous. So, other than that, hopefully next time on Cheaper Than Rent, you'll see a completed living room. I'll have the plastic put up that's gonna cut off the kitchen. So, empty boxes. Let's just say they give you a lot of these trash pieces. If I'd have known, I probably wouldn't have gone with this company. But, what are you gonna do? I already started it. Yeah, I don't know why they give you all those trash ones, because I like the 20 centimeter overlap much better than whatever that was. So, all right, you all guys have a great time. See you next time. And
Where's Mama?
I thought she was upstairs.
I thought she was downstairs. Why are you looking at the picture?
I'll talk to you later.